Hanford Factory is one of the key manufacturing base in this area. Faraday Future invested $200 million in the Hanford Factory. In this factory, we have assembly, we have a paint, we have body, we have a big warehouse, we have all the capacity to build FF91.
I don't think we could script a better relationship than we have with the city of Hanford. They've been extremely supportive. I would characterize it as excellent.
In 2023, we start to launch the FF91. This is a very exciting time for the Faraday Future, also for me, because we launched the first car.
When we first rolled out the first FF91 out of BA final line, when I saw that car rolling out, and it was a good feeling because it pays out all the hard work.
We're getting to get a solid team now here in Hanford, so now any challenge that we can confront and it's gonna come, we're ready for it. It was a nice thing, see everybody, like as a company, everybody come here together.
I'm very happy that the team has outperformed itself and will continue to do so in the next year. We try to improve quality on a day-to-day process as we build.
It's really kind of a blank canvas, and so we're able to accommodate a lot of different programs within the facility. We can move things around and expand, and potential for growth here is very good.